In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use DeepSeek or DeepSeek AI. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to chat.deepseek.com or to www.deepseek.com and log in or create an account on DeepSeek AI. Once you're in, you should see this on your screen. Now, here is how DeepSeek can help you. For example, you can ask DeepSeek to explain something. Just type your question, like let's say, what is 1 plus 1? Then hit enter. And in a few seconds, it would give you an answer. You can also ask it to make an answer shorter, simpler, or more detailed. Let's say, make it more detailed. Now, more ways you can use it is by asking it to help you write essays. For example, let's start a new chat. Write me an essay regarding global warming. And as you can see, the AI would automatically generate you an essay regarding this topic. And that's it. DeepSeek AI is easy to use and can save you a lot of time. So you can try it out. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.